This is the Honda Civic Type R Best Lap, a special, limited edition created by Honda Auto Italia. Built exclusively for Italy and limited to 99 units, this edition adds a Hayes-made real carbon kit, rear spoiler, center console panel, and door sills in genuine carbon fiber. A discreet Best Lap emblem sits below the rear Honda badge. Up front, the Type R keeps its clean, functional aggression. A wide lower grille feeds a high-capacity intercooler and front brakes, while the aluminum hood vent works with that opening to improve cooling and front downforce. The bumper swaps foglight bezels for slim vertical air inlets, emphasizing width and directing air to the brakes. The car sits lower and wider than the standard Civic. From the side, note the crisp shoulder line and the aero that actually does a job. Front fender outlets bleed pressure from the wheel housings. Extended side skirts guide that flow rearward, and the more integrated rear arches keep the weight clean for the diffuser and wing to work. The 19-inch lightweight alloys wear Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. At the back, a taller, repositioned rear wing sits on die-cast aluminum uprights and lines up with the roof taper for stability and visibility. The underbody diffuser works with that wing to raise downforce without needless drag. All functional elements, grille, diffuser, and wing center section, are finished in high-gloss black for a purposeful look. Inside, the Type R is driver-centric. The lightweight front seats lock your pelvis and shoulders for long-stint comfort and track control. Traditional Type R red carpet and seat trim set the tone. The manual 6-speed with rev-match auto blip delivers those crisp, mechanical shifts people buy a Type R for. Under the hood, the most potent 2.0-liter VTEC turbo ever fitted to a Type R teams with the 6-speed and front-wheel drive, a layout that still holds the front drive lap record at Suzuka for this generation.